Hello students, welcome to our class and start our learning with Let's Learn. And our today's topic, methane. What is the molecular formula of methane? That is CH4, where the number of carbon atom is 1 and number of hydrogen 4. Number of hydrogen atom 4. Clear? And the methane is the smallest hydrocarbon. What is the molecular mass? It is 16. How? So we know the molecular mass of carbon atom is 12 and molecular mass of hydrogen atom is 1 and here 4 hydrogen atom. So 1 into 4 is 4. So mass of the 4 hydrogen atom is 4 and mass of 1 carbon atom is 12. So 12 plus 4 is 16. So molecular mass of methane gas is 16. Clear? Then next heading is occurrence. How is it occur? Methane occurs in a natural gas to the extent of 87%. In a natural gas, 87% methane. Decomposition of organic matter in the absence of air. In the absence of air means in aerobic. In aerobic means in the absence of air. Produce methane. That means when the organic matter decompose in absence of air, then methane gas produce. Third, methane is present in a biogas. We will study in detail what is biogas. Then methane is found in a coal mines. What is a coal? We already studied about the coal. So methane is found in coal mines. Methane is found at the surface of marshy places, which is why it is also called the marsh gas. Marshy place means where the water is found. So it is also called marshy gas. The next heading, on heating a mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide. When we heat the hydrogen gas and carbon monoxide, CO is the molecular formula of carbon monoxide. So on heating the mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide gas at 300 degrees centigrade in the presence of nickel as a catalyst, methane gas is produced. Then last one, fractional distillation of a natural gas gives methane in pure form. Fractional distillation means normally it is used for petroleum product. It is used for petroleum product where they are separated at a different temperature. So using a fractional distillation of natural gas gives the methane gas in pure form. Then physical property of methane. Melting point of methane is minus 182.5 degrees centigrade. What is the boiling point? Minus 161.5 degrees centigrade. Then it is a colorless gas. Density of liquid methane. Density of liquid methane is less than that of water. Methane is sparingly soluble in water. It is highly soluble in organic solvent. Organic means having a carbon. So it is highly soluble in organic solvent like a gasoline, ether and alcohol. Then methane is in gaseous state at room temperature. Clear? It is gaseous at room temperature. So this was the physical properties. I requested you write down these properties in your notebook. The next, chemical properties. Chemical properties of methane. Methane is highly inflammable. It burns by reacting with oxygen to give a bluish flame. In this reaction, 213 kilocalorie per mole of heat is given out and methane burns completely. Chemical reaction, methane react with oxygen gas, form the carbon dioxide, water and heat and reduce heat. Clear? So just remember this equation. After writing this point, just write down the chemical reaction. while writing the chemical property of methane. Methane, again I repeat it. First write down this equation. Methane, what is the formula of methane? CH4 plus oxygen. Oxygen, the formula of oxygen is O2. First CH4 plus O2 and products, carbon dioxide, that is CO2 plus water, that is H2O, and heat, and then balance the equation. So write here 2 to balance the number of oxygen and write here 2 in the right hand side. Clear? Then what is the chlorination? This is the second property of the methane, chlorination. Methane and chlorine gas react with each other at a temperature 250 degrees centigrade. That means if at 250 degrees centigrade, when methane and chlorine gas react with each other and the temperature between 250 to 400 degrees centigrade in the presence of ultraviolet light and form the mainly methyl chloride. Which compound, which product? Methyl chloride, or it is also called chloromethane, and hydrogen chloride, that is HCl, hydrochloric acid. And so this is this reaction is also called chlorination of methane. What is the chemical reaction of chlorination of methane? Methane react with chlorine gas in presence of ultraviolet ray and form the methyl chloride. CH3 is a formula of methane. If we reduce the one hydrogen from a hydrocarbon, methane, okay, then form the CH3, that is a methyl, Cl for chloride, methyl chloride, and HCl, hydrogen chloride. Clear? Then so these two are the chemical properties of methane. Write down these two properties also in your notebook. Then uses of methane. Methane in the form of natural gas is used in industries such as fabric mills, paper mills, food processing industry, petrol purification. Then being the smallest hydrocarbon, this is the smallest hydrocarbon, the property of the proportion of carbon dioxide released in the combustion of methane is small. Why? Because this is the smallest hydrocarbon. So released in the combustion of methane is small, and therefore it is used as a domestic fuel only. It is used as a domestic fuel. Methane is used for production of the organic compounds such as ethanol, methyl chloride, methylene chloride, and acetylene also. So this is very important question for exams. So write down these points: occurrence, physical property of the methane, chemical property of the methane, and uses. Then let's move on the next heading, biogas plant. What is a biogas plant? So biogas, animal dung, dry leaves, wet garbage get decomposed by anaerobic microbes. Anaerobic means absence of air. Absence of air. Anaerobic microbes in the biogas plant. This is a biogas plant. Here this is the inlet chamber. From this inlet chamber, the slurry of cattle dung is inserted, and here this is a tank, big tank, where the dung and the water mixture. Then this is a cover, this is the outer cover of this plant, and also this is a outlet, this is a outlet, and here this is a slurry, okay, and here the wastage, left the product, here the left product. Clear? So again we read this paragraph: biogas plant, animal dung, dry leaves, wet garbage get decomposed by anaerobic microbes in a biogas plant. These produce methane gas, also called biogas. That means in this plant, the animal dung, dry leaves, wet garbage, these are organic product. These organic product decomposed by the microbes in absence of air. In absence of air, in this biogas plant and produce the methane gas, and this methane gas is also called the biogas. Biogas is very cheap fuel option because here what we used to produce the biogas: animal dung, dry leaves, wet garbage. These are the waste material, these components, these organic products we used for producing the methane gas. So this is a cheap fuel option which meets the demand for cooking gas. It is also used for production of an electricity. Yes, it is also used for production of and electricity. Biogas contains about a 55 to 60%, this higher range, methane gas, and rest is the carbon dioxide. So biogas is a fuel which is convenient to use, and in addition to this, a very good manure is also produced as a side product of process, and the left product is also used for fertilizer, also used as a fertilizer. Clear? So just draw this diagram in your notebook. This is very important, and label this diagram and just remember. Clear? Then biogas production. How the biogas or methane gas produced in the biogas plant. So here two steps. First one is the production of acid, and second one is actually methane gas production. So first step is production of acid. Here the microbes act on the biodegradable complex. Biodegradable complex or organic compound. Or which compounds? So dry leaves, okay, animal dung, etc. So these compounds and produce the organic acid. Okay, after the degradation of this organic compound, the organic acid produced. And then the second main step is methane gas production. The methanogenic bacteria, these are the special type of bacteria, act on the organic acids to produce the methane. First the organic acid produced, and then after decomposition this biodegradable complex, and then the organic acid, the methanogenic bacteria act on these organic acid, and produce the methane gas. What is the formula of this chemical reaction? So methanoic acid. What is the name of this compound? Methanoic acid. So produce the methane and carbon dioxide, CH4 plus CO2. Clear? So this is very important question for exam. What is the biogas? And draw the biogas plant, label the diagram, and write down the production process, and also this information about the biogas plant. So this is very important question. Note it down in your notebook and prepare for exam. So this chapter was completed. This chapter is completed now, and I will share you this the exercise solution. So just complete your notebook and learn all the questions, all the topics. So thank you very much.